you already have a profile. That profile that you created is a generalized one. There was a time on Upwork that was the only one we had. But a time came when Upwork introduced SPs, specialized projects. So Upwork knows that you may have more than one skill to offer your prospective clients. So specialized profiles makes it easy for clients who are searching for someone with your skills to find you and review your relevant experience. So instead of one profile, you can have 3. In my own case, I'm an executive assistant, certified HR professional, and project manager. You will see that in my generalized profile. However, I also have a specialized profile for my project management. The third one is for my executive assistant and HR. So that when clients are looking for project managers, I will come up. When they are looking for only HR, I will come up. You understand? So that is why you need to also leverage this advantage. So beyond setting up just your generalized profile, also set up your specialized profile. I have put in all the details you need here. Just follow the instruction here. If you need help, you can also reach out. One very cool one here that I like is the ability to switch. You can switch your specialty. So because everything that we are doing on Upwork, we keep tweaking things. Is this going to work? Does this work? I remember there was that time when, before I changed to executive assistant, I was virtual assistant. The place was crowded. Whenever proposals are dropped on Upwork, before I know it, immediately it drops. 20 proposals have already dropped too, even before I see it. So what do? I added executive assistant to my keywords, to my profile, my skill tags. That was how I started climbing. As a freelancer, you have to keep scaling.